There's a new car coming. What colour should he wrap his car?
But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. Will you? Will you? Yeah. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. Will you? Yeah. Will you? Yeah. Will you? Yeah. But you can never walk alone.
But you can never walk alone on your way to being free.
Right, so we've got Bert's M3 competition pack in. Lovely car, man. Oh, I can't swear, can I? He's having the works done on this car. We're going to be wrapping it in some mad flip colour. He's already pulled it in and smoked all his lights and his number plates and his windows. So just had the boys give it a wash. They're just giving it a clean up now. I'm just templating the badges so we can get these off, and then Pav's going to start stripping it. It's going to look good. Yes, James, with a cup of tea. Little M3 badge.
So the BMW M3 is in, it's been cleaned. Pav is about to strip it. That's why we're gonna start with the bonnet. We're doing it with a flip color. We just brought it downstairs. Me personally, I'm a really big fan of flip colors. Reminds me of my childhood and all the old school stuff. But yeah, this one is great. It's green to blue with a bit of yellow. It's gonna look mental. Watch this space, baby.
So today, we're a man down stripping wise. So I'm going to jump on this, give Pav a little hand, because he's fitting up the SLR. So we're all jumping on and helping out.
So it's the day 2 on Bert's car. Like I mentioned before, I'm really amazed with the color. And when you look on the other side, when it's complete, it really looks great. It's really standing out. I'm just a big fan of it, so yeah, for me it's great.
I love this colour. I actually used to have this colour on my car, but the satin version of it, so I'm a big fan of this colour. But yeah, definitely works better with Bert's car actually, which I hate to admit. Yeah.
So we're the people.
Gotta look good. We is the people for the job.
No hate, no fight.
What are we talking about? Bert's car. Yeah, I'm back. Bert's car. Just in the handles, as you can see. Pow. Colour looks immense. Amazing. You're gonna see this one everywhere.
This colour reminds me of an old car, but I can't think what it is. But when I do, I'll let you guys know.
Guys, I'm in the workshop. It's 5:15. Mikey and Amelia are staying behind to do a little bit extra on my car, thankfully. Thank you. Cheers, boys and girls. So yeah, at the minute they've pretty much done the whole car. They're on the front bumper, getting that done as well. And yeah, it's coming along. To say I'm a little bit nervous to see it outside is a bit of an understatement. Under the lights that we've got in the unit, it's like appearing quite shiny. So yeah, I'm just a little bit excited, nervous, apprehensive to get it outside, see it in natural daylight as well. So once they're done, we'll get it all fitted back up together and get out there and get a real reaction from me, see what happens.
Go.
It's a History Friday today.
Bert's color looks sick, but look at that one. Hey!
Bert's car is nearly completed. I'm just going to go over the car, do some final checks whilst Pav is fitting the car back up. The car's looking good. I love the colour, love the gloss effect to it. So when it's out the unit, it should look good. Happy, happy.
You know what? It's just come to me what colour this was on back in the day. It was a Nissan Primera. Have a look. It's a Nissan Primera colour.
I think Bert's car is looking nice. But obviously, my color's better.
What are you lying for?
I think Bert's Nissan is looking good.
This is not a test. We repeat, this is not a test.
Guys, my car's outside, as you can see it's sitting behind me. Let me know below whether you like it or hate it. There is a massive split opinion on this one. To be fair, I'm actually quite glad that I've picked a colour that is a little bit dubious in terms of who's going to like it, who's not. Either way, it's going to stand out. It's doing exactly what I wanted it to do from a marketing perspective. I think it looks quite cool. Let us know what you think. That's my car. Check it out.